In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit your crypto taxes quickly using Binance, along with some free tools. Navigating the world of crypto taxes can be daunting, but worry not, as Binance offers a robust suite of built-in resources to help you streamline the process efficiently. While the specific requirements depend on your country's tax rules, the tools offered by Binance cater to many regions globally, giving you a head start in managing your crypto tax obligations. Let's start by exploring what Binance has available for you. Among the prominent features is its capability to generate transaction history exports. To access this, simply log into your Binance account via the web. Navigate to your wallet page and click on Transaction History. Here, you'll find the option to export or generate transaction records, allowing you to download your trades, deposits, and withdrawals in a handy CSV format. This data can be invaluable, whether you're filing taxes yourself or turning over the details to a tax professional. You have the flexibility to select date ranges. Options include the last 24 hours, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 or 6 months, or a specific custom range. It's important to note, however, that the link for your exported records is often time-sensitive and typically expires 7 days after generation. Binance also caters to those who engage in crypto-to-crypto transactions or conversions through its Convert History tool. This separate export allows you to keep your records comprehensive and well-organized. Another noteworthy feature is Binance's built-in Binance Tax tool, which is designed to simplify your tax filing process even further. This tool provides a comprehensive view of all your Binance transactions. You can filter and edit these transactions, enabling you to discard irrelevant small transfers or make adjustments for fees where necessary. In certain jurisdictions, the tool also allows you to select your preferred cost basis method, be it first in, first out, FIFO, last in, first out, LIFO, or average cost. This flexibility is crucial for accurately calculating your capital gains and income gains. Once you've curated your transaction data, you can generate and download summary reports, providing clear insights into your taxable crypto activity. Furthermore, Binance may offer a tax reports option located within its support pages or tools, depending on your region. This feature is particularly useful for quickly obtaining a summary of your taxable gains and losses, helping you ensure compliance with local tax regulations. While the specifics may vary based on your local tax laws, these Binance features are instrumental in managing your crypto taxes effectively and efficiently. Remember, by taking advantage of these built-in tools, you're well on your way to simplifying the often complex crypto tax filing process.